everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to uninstall the KB5068861 update on Windows 11. If this update is causing problems on your PC, don't worry. Removing it is very simple. Let's get started. First, open your Start menu and click on Settings. Once you're inside Settings, go ahead and click on Windows Update on the left side. In the Windows Update menu, click on Update History. This section shows all updates installed on your system. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Uninstall Updates. You will now see a list of installed updates. Locate the update KB5068861. Once you find it, click on Uninstall. A confirmation message will appear. Click Uninstall again to continue. Windows will now begin removing the update along with its related components. Wait for the process to complete. Once the update has been uninstalled, restart your PC to finish the process. After restarting, your system should be back to normal. You've successfully uninstalled update KB5068861 on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.